Okay, so modifying values in dictionaries. Well, this is quite simple. We do it almost the same as with lists. We specify which element of a dictionary uh, we want to change. So we use a specific key, and we assign a new value. So if I do it here, you will see that my vanilla price has changed to 3.5. If I want to change it again to 3.10, then I can do it in this manner. So this is quite easy, quite straightforward. One thing you can understand now in a little bit more detail, if we go back to the beginning of our dictionaries part of this notebook and to this definition of dictionary, as you remember, I told you key pairs have to be unique. So if we try to define a dictionary like this, Python actually remembers only this key value pair. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that what happens inside is that Python creates a dictionary which has first this key value pair, then it has this key value, adds this key value pair, so now we have two key value pairs inside. Now we have three key value pairs inside, and now Python sees that we are trying to use the key which is already inside the dictionary. So what Python does is he replaces this value which was here before, with the new value here, and then we get, so that's why we still have a dictionary with three things, and all of the keys in the dictionary are still unique. So if that's not the case and you check this, then please let me know in the comments or somehow through some other channels. But I would expect that this is the behavior behind the scenes. Okay, so that's all about modifying values, and in the next videos we will talk about for loops and how we can use them together with dictionaries. So see you there.